so many people struggle with memorizing and using new words. Today, you are going to discover how to never forget new vocabulary ever again using the power of ChatGPT. In this method, we are going to use the free version of ChatGPT to memorize new words and to improve listening, reading, and writing skills for IELTS and TOEFL at the same time. Imagine you are learning English, studying Mindset for IELTS, or any other exam preparation book of your choice. In a reading section, you come across a series of new words which you will learn in no time. But the problem is you cannot remember the new words a week later, or you cannot actively use them in your speaking and writing. So what you need to do is to make a list of all the new words you have just learned and head into chat.openai.com to use ChatGPT. If you do not already have an account, you just have to click login and continue with Google. Then you will be asked to put in your Google credentials. As soon as you do that, you have to type your name and birthday. That's it. Now you are signed in to your OpenAI account and you can use the basic free version of ChatGPT for free. Now imagine a scenario where learning new words isn't just a task, but an adventure where engagement, variety, and contextual learning blend seamlessly to make vocabulary acquisition not only efficient but also enjoyable. Basically, the best way you can fixate new words into your mind forever is to learn them in a context with active engagement and enough practice and repetition. Then you can even use those new words in your own speaking and writing practice. In our innovative method, you have the chance to create personalized learning material. Here is how it works. First, you ask ChatGPT to generate a listening section transcript similar to those found in exams like IELTS and TOEFL, incorporating your new words. Then you provide ChatGPT with a list of new words. Here's the perfect prompt for all that. By the way, you can find every prompt we use in the video in the description below. Remember, you can always use IELTS and TOEFL interchangeably based on your own goals. In this prompt, we want ChatGPT to generate the transcript of a lecture, incorporating your list of new words in a context of your choice. We ask ChatGPT to copy the IELTS Listening format. We paste our list of new words at the end. As soon as ChatGPT crafts a listening transcript, we can utilize the Read Aloud feature to listen to the lecture, effectively transforming it into a listening exercise.
Good morning, everyone. Today we delve into the captivating realm of archaeology, a field as diverse as the civilizations it seeks to understand. Archaeology, for those unfamiliar, is not merely about digging up artifacts. It is a sophisticated endeavor, a tireless quest to unravel the mysteries of our past.
By engaging in this active listening process, not only you are practicing new words, but also you are improving your listening skills, crucial for IELTS, TOEFL, and reading world communication. But wait, there is more. After listening to the transcript, challenge yourself with a series of questions crafted by ChatGPT based on the lecture content using this prompt. This sharpens your comprehension abilities. In this prompt, we have asked ChatGPT to design 10 listening comprehension questions with different formats using the IELTS Listening section as a role model. Then, we have asked to have the correct answer to the question in the end. Now, let's switch gears to reading. Ask ChatGPT to generate a reading passage utilizing your list of new words. As you read through the passage, you will not only encounter the words in the context, but also enhance your reading comprehension skills. In this prompt, we want ChatGPT to create a reading passage in the field of your choice that resembles those of IELTS. We ensure ChatGPT includes our new words in bold in passage. And just like before, we want to follow up our reading session with a set of questions from ChatGPT to further solidify our understanding and retention. In this prompt, we want ChatGPT to craft 5 multiple-choice questions and 5 fill-in-the-blanks to resemble questions from the reading section of IELTS. In our prompt, we have to ensure ChatGPT includes the answers to questions in the end. By now, you must have reviewed your new vocabulary enough, and you have taken great steps to improve your reading and listening skills. But we are not finished here yet. You can utilize ChatGPT to inspire your writing practice. Simply ask for a topic where you have the chance to use your newly acquired vocabulary. Then submit your writing to ChatGPT for correction and feedback, completing the cycle of learning. In this prompt, we want ChatGPT to give us a topic that resembles that of IELTS Academic Writing Task 2, in which you have the chance to use our newly acquired vocabulary. We have included the list of new words at the end of our prompt. This is your chance to put the list of new words in front of you while writing and include as many of them in your writing as possible. Remember, we have a dedicated writing playlist that teaches you how to become a better writer in your exams. When you are done with your writing, just paste the whole thing into ChatGPT with this prompt to ask for direct feedback. In this prompt, we want ChatGPT to offer insights based on our own writing and highlight areas that need improvement with proper suggestions. ChatGPT will go through the writing to give you insightful feedback on your use of vocabulary, grammar, sentence structure, and so on. This is a massive step both in terms of learning and using your new vocabulary and practicing writing. As you can see, this method can tremendously help you boost your language skills. You learn new words, and most importantly, you learn to use them while practicing listening, reading, and writing. In our YouTube channel, we teach you how to improve your language skills, mainly using the power of AI. We have dedicated playlists for speaking, writing, and exams. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos in your feed. You can be the first one to share our videos among your friends. That's it for today, and we see you in the next one.